Oh no, it's your final coat and you got a little overzealous with your sanding and now you have a bald spot. So I did this one for you to see. This could also happen if you were doing a glitter cup. You could sand it right down to the stainless steel. So what we're gonna use is we're gonna use the spray paint that we used already on the cup. We need a cup and we need a Q-tip. We're gonna shake this up really, really well, spray a little into here, and then use the Q-tip to dab it on because this, don't use a paintbrush because it will be going in the garbage. Trying to clean it with acetone or paint thinner is a pain in the behind. All right, so shake it well. Open it up, cover this, a couple of short squirts. Gotta work quick. Dab it on. We're just dabbing. Perfect. Now you'll let it dry and then you are good to re-epoxy. If it was a glitter cup, let it dry, use a little Mod Podge to dab on the spot, sprinkle a little glitter on there, dab it, flatten it down, let it dry, and you are good to epoxy again. And that is it. That's how you fix an overzealous sand.